Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? It's about 4 days before Christmas, I think. What is ish? Or is it 4 days for my birthday? I'm so excited. My birthday is Christmas Eve. Okay. I even have my resting Grinch face shirt on. Brandon got me this last year for my birthday, and it's lit. So, the fact that I have only a base of makeup on to tell you, we're about to do another first impressions. These are pretty much my fave, and I want to say they're kind of my fave to do because you get my real reaction and you know if it's something, you know, worth buying or not. On this episode, we are doing a new product from Huda Beauty. So her new matte to metal. Ooh. I don't know why my lighting does that. It drives me nuts. So Huda Beauty's new matte to metal melted shadows. I got it in this so heckin' cute package. Like, if this isn't the most me little thing, I mean, you know. And here I am, not in the middle of the screen per usual. I am so sorry. Oh God, I don't know what's wrong with my body. So yeah, there are 5 of them, but kind of 10 because one side is matte and the other side is like a glitter. But it says metal. And here they are out of the little package. I've been seeing a lot of mixed reviews on these. It seems though some people are having like a lot of trouble, and then some people are like, no, it's good. And then it's like people are, I guess, are kind of finding it, or kind of, I don't know, having an issue with applying them or not. So I thought this would be a fun one to do for first impressions, just to see, and if there is an issue, to see if I can work through it, and then that'll kind of help anyone else who's also having issues, or if they go to try and they have an issue, and then here you go, I work through it for you, hopefully. So kind of the explanation of these is that they are intense metallic shimmery shadows on one side and then rich creamy matte pigments on the other side. You can blend it or build it up, it says, whether you're looking for a colorful smoky eye or a graphic winged liner. So I'm assuming that, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that these dry down quick if they can be used as liners, and maybe prediction that's a problem that people are having. Maybe. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna kind of do, these also seem like you could probably do cut creases with them if they dry down pretty easy, so you can just kind of like carve it out, maybe. I think I'm just gonna kind of go for an eye in general, and then see how that works. I haven't opened any of these yet, so I don't know like if there is an applicator on the inside because it doesn't really show me that. I'm gonna scoot real close to you. I'm trying to think of what, okay, well let me just open one first and then I'll decide on a brush. I am looking at the red one, so the metallic side is called Cherry Soda, and then the matte side is called Hot Sauce. And since it's a few days before Christmas and I have a Grinch shirt on, I feel like red is the way to go, or as red as this is. You feel me? Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty much like a lip gloss. And then if it'll focus, and focus, and focus. Jesus Christ, are you kidding me? Okay, so since this is technically a liquid, what tells me is I should be using like a dual fiber brush, kind of like this, so that it's easier to wash out on my brush. I think I am just gonna like go for it. I do technically have a base on my lids. I have some concealer on my lids, so I think that's fine. And a lot of times if you use liquid base eyeshadow stuff, you kind of don't need another base, kind of personal preference, whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this on the outside corner, outer corner, and see how it goes. And alright, a little bit at a time, I think, because I'm assuming that, like I said, it probably dries quick. Ooh! Ooh! Woo! Actually, you know what? Second thought, since these probably do dry quickly, it might be better if you do have something on your lid prior. So kind of like how I already had some concealer on my lid that was actually pretty oily. I feel like that just helped in my application to apply this. And that's very pretty. Wow, cool beans. Okay, like I said, I've seen some shit when I saw a few other people try these and they were like dying, like they just couldn't, it like was not happening. So, pleasantly surprised and very happy. So fun. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm into this. So far this has worked out pretty well, I'd say. It feels nice, it doesn't feel cakey, it feels normal. I am a little, not concerned, but I'm gonna try and put it underneath of my eye. And I wonder how it'll blend here. All up in my eyelashes is how that's gonna go. So instead of keeping that round shape that I was just doing, I am trying to pull this out a little more, and it honestly is moving. So, just because at some point I do want to do some winged liner. I think it blends really nice. I don't really see like any, yeah, these are cool. I do stand with my first statement though about using a duo fiber brush, which means that it's good for liquids and things of that nature. So a lot of people like to use them for concealer and stuff like that. Because I feel like that definitely, it had to have made this application a little easier. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, I did go a little more wild on this eye, and it's really easy to do with these, so be wary of that. But yeah, I think these are pretty cool. I wonder if you can use them also as lipsticks, because they do have a really nice texture to them. Where I feel like lipstick would be cool, but I don't know. In my opinion, usually if it's safe for one orifice, it's probably safe for the other one. Okay, whoa. This is the other side. It has a completely different application wand. Oh, come on. There you go. So now I can kind of see why it said winged liner. I think I'm just going to go straight into it. Whoop. Ooh. I mean, honestly, this did just save a whole ass time for doing a cut crease and like adding, you know, concealer and stuff. Is it focusing? Impressed. I like these. That's cool. Yeah. I think these are really pretty and very cool. Now I feel like I just want to go back in. So I am applying it like this too. Kind of stippling it on there. There we go. Yeah, that works too. Okay. I'm just kind of going back and doing that. Yeah, I think that these are really fun. And I mean, this came out well. I didn't have a problem with it. I think that, like I said, if you do put a base down that's a little, not oily because you don't want like an oily base. If you put like any type of concealer down first, or even like a regular face primer on your lids before these, it might make it a little easier to move the product around in general to like start off with. So I think that was really kind of beneficial. And this dries down very fast, which is nice if you're in like a rush. I like them. I think they're great. I think this worked out really well. Usually I would do like a whole finished look for you guys, but the reason I also picked this red one is because I wanted to do a Cindy Lou Who look, but like a tattooed Cindy Lou Who. So I'm not going to finish this eye on here because I want to keep going and making it like really ridiculous, which would take away from the point of this first impressions. But yeah, I would totally suggest these. I think they're really cool. They come in these other shades other than the red one. So one is more of like a very much like a cream. This one is more of like a champagne color. Then we have this one, which is more of like a pinky orange color. And then this one is like very purple bubblegummy. Yeah, I love these. You get two for the price of one. You don't have to use them together. You can definitely use them separate. I think they'd probably also be good for lips and or cheeks, it seems like. It is a go for me and I'm hyped on it. Alright my dudes, I hope everyone has a brilliant holiday and thank you for coming back and watching this. If you get one of these shadows, let me know and let me know how it goes when you try it out. Thanks for stopping by! See ya!